What's up, guys? We're back here on another day. We're gonna clean up some of these weeds today. The lighting's kind of, it's because it's bright outside. I'm gonna clean up like these goat's head, I think that's what they're called. Come on, baby, go look for mommy. Those right there. Man, we got so many of them. We're gonna move a bunch of this stuff around. I'm gonna go live today on my phone. We're gonna come check out Oreo because my wife's saying that she's bleeding. I don't know what's going on. She's over there with her right now. Come on, baby. Watch out. I'm gonna close this gate. Those weeds. We'll get rid of all these. Damn. Watch out for the weeds, Kaylin. You're okay. It's just being my love. Come on. Is it bad? As long as it's not bad, it should be okay. Oh, it's just like a cut. What you got, Oreo, huh? Scrape, huh? It looks like. Yeah, should be okay. She's just smelling Kaylin. Look how many of these weeds we have. Like, Jesus. So many of them. We didn't get this filled last night. My dad went ahead and did it. So, might throw a couple goldfish in here to stop the mosquitoes. But yeah, we got some stuff to do. So, Oreo. She's so pretty. She's like, looks slick today. Let's go. Oh God. You giving her some of your banana? Yeah. Let me see. You give her this piece and I think she'll eat it. Oh no, she don't want it. She's so small compared to all the other ones. She's peeing? She peed on you? But yeah, guys. I'll hit y'all in a minute. Start here. And we're going to slowly work our way to over there. And then kind of work all the way to the trailers. Hopefully we could do just that. See y'all later.
1 hour later.
Well guys, we got all this cleaned up. Looking nice a little bit. I'll probably get that moved tomorrow in the morning. Got this big pile. That pile came from over here. And then came over here and cleaned all this up. Got that corner a little bit. And then worked this corner. And got a lot of these weeds cleaned out. But hopefully tomorrow in the morning when we come, we'll get all this knocked out. But I'm not too sure. We'll be back to feed here in about an hour or two. Huh? I'll carry you. The baby wants to be carried, so I carry her. But yeah, we'll come back and feed. So I'll be back in like an hour or so. But we're gonna grab a water from this fridge and then we're going home.
2 hours later.
No, that does not go away. We're gonna go put, whoa, I'm gonna go put these goldfish in Oreo's trough. Ow, I'm getting rocks thrown at me by this hoodlum. I don't think she'll care for it. She might try to drink the fish.
Is that gonna harm her?
No. I'm gonna put these goldfish in Oreo's trough.
What did he say?
I hit it. That was hot earlier when we were doing it.
It was hot.
Come on, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
You leave the sheep running around.
I did, and I pinned them up. Ew.
I'm not going.
You're not going?
I just want to watch.
Kaylin. God, bro. We're just going to put the goldfish in the water, babe, and then we're going.
Yes!
I'm not going to pay attention. These goldfish are going to get big. Like really big. I don't think you can really see them in there. They're little compared to the trough.
Oh, they like that water. They're pretty.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you that. We should attempt. Are you gonna lick Kaylin, Oreo, huh? She's gonna lick your leg. Let her lick your leg.
You like sandpaper on my legs. I like the fish, they're cute.
You scared of Oreo? You don't need to be scared.
Is she gonna run into me?
No.
Is she nice?
Yeah, she's our pet.
Come on.
They're hiding.
Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy.
Alright, let's go over there. Let's go check for some eggs and let's go feed the chickens. Come on, Gus. It's fine. Come on.
Do we go slow?
No, it's fine. Come right here. She ain't gonna do nothing. Well, she is something to be scared of.
Yo, stepping in poop.
Open the gate.
Hi, Oreo.
We'll see you in the morning, Oreo. Ma. Can I put your ear?
Leave me alone, you idiot!
Oh, she likes
How she did, huh? Let me put your ear again. Let me scratch it. Let me scratch it. See you in the morning.
The bully lets me pet him.
Yeah, 'cause he's locked up.
The bully lets me pet him.
The Billy.
The
Is that him?
Yeah, this one's the bully.
The bully? I don't think this is the bully. Is this the bully, babe? Okay, let me pet him too.
That one is good.
God damn.
Can I see her? Hi, YouTube.
Come on, let's go get some chicken food. Let's go feed the chickens. And we're gonna grab some eggs.
Baby bucket.
I'm gonna get you some baby. Let me get your baby bucket, okay?
Baby bucket.
Point it at me. Can you point it at me?
Yeah.
Got it?
You want baby bucket.
Yeah, you got the
Baby bucket.
Hello there.
Oh, you done got it all dirty. Oh, hell. She done kissed the lens. Yes. Okay. No, he said it should have water. Kaylin, come on.
Yeah, but
Oh, yeah, here we go.
you
Go. Yeah, brother, I need you to check for eggs.
Daddy, can I see? That's a can.
Yeah, you can feed the other ones over there. Kaylin, over here, come on. Come on, Kaylin, over here.
Go feed them.
Come on, Kaylin. Come on over here, baby. You can feed them over here. Go. Go toss some food for them, baby. Yeah, there you go, my love. Grab some eggs, Kaylin. Is there eggs? Oh, 4 eggs. You find any, baby? Come on, let's go check over here. Oh, there's an egg over there. Two.
I almost dropped it.
Come on, let's go.
I did that myself.
Yeah. I don't feel like dealing with them either. Kim's gonna go grab that egg. Yeah, hold on. You got the egg, baby? Let me see. my favorite. The silkies. I love them. They're so pretty.
I'm trying to catch a duck.
I'll help you. Hold on. You want to help us name this one? Put the comments down below.
Wookie.
Don't pull his hair.
I see his eyes.
Don't pull his hair.
Help me! Help me!
Why you bullying me?
Please don't eat me.
No, don't throw him in the water. You're gonna get him sick.
Daddy, can you cut me or don't? He's big enough.
Bring him over here. Show the camera.
Come here, Booty.
Say, look everybody, I caught one.
Can I cut Yay! Catch it for me. Oh, no,
You got out.
See me, Dad? Kill it!
Hey! I didn't want you to worry it.
There we go. We thinned the fuck out in here. Got nothing but mainly roosters and stuff in here. Probably get them posted. Like, oh, maybe that's a hen there. That one black one's a hen. I'll probably keep that one. Looks like a hen. Those are little pretty roosters. That one's a hen over there. They're pretty. But I'll probably get rid of them. Post them on Facebook. Meat birds. People like them for caldo. So that's probably what they'll end up being. Come on, girls. Let's go. Come on, girls. So, you know, that's probably what we'll end up doing with them. Kaylin, let's go. Say hi to the YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Give me a hug. How was school today?
Good.
That's good. Your tia's just cleaning up the water over here.
Hi, Robin. Hi.
You catch him, Robin.
Is that what?
No, that's that one right here. Over here, Robin. Over here. The white and black one. You see him? With the big red, yeah. I got all these hens over here. And really all I gotta do is I gotta get this all cleaned out and I gotta get this redone. But I'll probably tear these down and put some different roosting bars for them. But yeah, I mean, he got a lot of hens in here. Hopefully, I'll probably get that one sold. Got the Robin. Oh, he went through my legs.
I see one in here.
Woo. Oh, I almost had him. Go that way, Robin. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way.
What's going to happen if you do?
Hurry, Robin. Hurry, Robin. Hurry. Oh, he went through the middle. Get him, Robin. Oh, you almost had him. Oh.
I found
What? Where?
In there.
In here? Where was it at?
It was in.
Oh, we got him right here, Robin. Oh, we got him right here. Oh, no, we don't.
I was trying to catch the white one, but that one's fast too.
Robin, get him?
Almost.
Oh, right here, we got him. Oh, no, no. Oh.
We almost had him. Ow.
Oh, damn it, he passed me. Did he go in there? You got him, Robin. You got him! Is he?
Help
The
me!
main one?
Help me!
He got his, yeah.
He flew at me. Did you get that?
I think I did. He's really pretty.
Yes. That's what you get for trying to be too pretty to be wet, boy. This feels like beef jerky.
Oh, it does.
Beef jerky.
Calling you.
Someone for cleaning the water.
What? Her shoes.
It's okay, put it on, babe. This was their dirt bath, or was their dirt bath. I probably gotta redo it. Go, girls. No, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go.
You got it. It's no little duck on the egg. You want an egg?
Robin, go like this. Bro.
Why be mean?
No, because I'm gonna use them for a thumbnail.
Daddy, can I do that?
Do
Here you go.
it. Woo! Kayla, come on, baby.
This is yours.
Let me see.
Look, he's holding my hand.
She, you done pissed her off. Come on, girls. Robin. Hey, what is that? 6 eggs? Heck yeah. Hopefully another also laying in here.
Over there?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, yeah.
Well, guys, I think I'm going to conclude this video here. We're done feeding and everything. Give over all the food and stuff. Fed her. Put fish in her trough. That's from the wire welder. But, yeah, guys. If y'all enjoy the content that we make, y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Hi.
It means a lot to us, right?
Yep.
Can I do it again? I didn't get it.
I catch the fish. I caught a fish, but I don't think he got it on camera.
I didn't. I wasn't recording. I did it on the shorts, but
Daddy, when I go up, can I have one of those?
yes, baby.
I want one.
But yeah, y'all guys like, comment, subscribe.
I want pink one.
It means the world to us. And we'll be able to keep pushing out some content like this for y'all guys. So yeah, see y'all later.